Analysis of a P0456 EVAP code and fuel filler, problems on a 2014 Ford F-150 5.0L introduction. This paper examines the likely causes of a P0456 diagnostic trouble code and a related fuel filling problem on a 2014 Ford F-150 equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine and Ford's Easy Fuel capless fuel system. The vehicle has approximately 186,000 miles and recently developed two symptoms. 1. A P0456 EVAP system small leak detected diagnostic code, and 2. A fuel pump nozzle that no longer inserts fully into the fuel filler neck. Because both symptoms appeared at approximately the same time, it is important to determine whether they are related and to identify the most probable cause before replacing parts. Understanding the diagnostic code. Diagnostic trouble code indicates that the vehicle's evaporative emissions (EVAP) system has detected a very small leak. The EVAP system is designed to prevent gasoline vapors from escaping into the atmosphere by storing and controlling fuel vapors within a sealed system. Common causes of code include a leaking or improperly sealing fuel filler, a faulty EVAP purge valve, a defective EVAP vent valve, cracked or disconnected EVAP hoses, a damaged charcoal canister. Because this truck uses Ford's Easy Fuel capless fuel system, there is no removable gas cap to inspect or replace. Can direct sunlight buckle a fuel tank? One question raised was whether exposure to direct sunlight could buckle or deform the fuel tank. Under normal operating conditions, the answer is no. Modern fuel tanks are engineered to withstand normal summer temperatures, including prolonged exposure to direct sunlight. Heat from the sun alone should not deform the tank. Fuel tank deformation is more commonly associated with a blocked EVAP vent creating excessive vacuum or pressure, a malfunctioning EVAP vent valve, physical impact damage, damage from road debris, rare manufacturing defects. Therefore, the presence of the code makes an EVAP system malfunction much more likely than sunlight as the source of the problem. Evaluation of the fuel nozzle problem. The more significant symptom is that the fuel pump nozzle no longer inserts completely into the filler opening. This symptom points away from the fuel tank itself and instead suggests a problem within the capless fuel filler assembly. The Easy Fuel system contains two spring-loaded internal flaps that must open as the fuel nozzle is inserted. If either flap sticks, becomes damaged, or is obstructed by debris, the nozzle may stop after entering only a short distance. Unlike a damaged filler neck, a deformed fuel tank generally causes different symptoms such as difficulty filling the tank because fuel backs up, incorrect fuel gauge readings, EVAP system faults, fuel delivery problems. A buckled fuel tank would not normally prevent the fuel nozzle from entering the filler opening. Based on the symptoms, several possible causes should be considered: sticking internal flaps, debris inside the filler neck, a damaged filler neck from impact or improper nozzle insertion, or a worn capless fuel filler assembly due to high mileage. Based on the symptoms, several possible causes should be considered. Sticking internal flaps. The most likely explanation is that one or both spring-loaded flaps inside the capless filler neck have become stuck. Dirt, corrosion, and normal wear can prevent the flaps from opening completely. Debris inside the filler neck. Small amounts of dirt, leaves, rust, or other debris may interfere with the movement of the internal sealing mechanism. Damaged filler neck. The filler neck could have been bent by improper insertion of a fuel nozzle, minor impact damage, or contact with road debris. Worn capless fuel filler assembly. At approximately 186,000 miles, normal wear of the capless filler assembly is a realistic possibility. A worn filler assembly may both restrict nozzle insertion and fail to maintain an adequate seal for the EVAP system, thereby producing the P0456 code. Relationship between the fuel filler and the code. The restricted fuel nozzle insertion and the code may be directly related. If the capless filler assembly no longer seals properly after fueling, the EVAP system may detect a small pressure leak during its self-test. Consequently, one defective component could produce both symptoms. This relationship makes the capless filler assembly a stronger suspect than other EVAP components, such as the purge valve. Possibility of intentional damage. Another concern is whether someone intentionally damaged the fuel filler. Evidence that could support intentional tampering would include fresh scratches around the fuel door, pry marks, bent metal or plastic components, a foreign object lodged inside the filler neck. Without such evidence, the sudden appearance of the problem does not by itself indicate malicious activity. Recommended inspection. The first step should be a careful visual inspection of the capless filler neck using a flashlight. The inspection should include checking for debris, looking for bent or damaged components, verifying that both internal flaps move normally, looking for signs of tampering. If available, the Ford Easy Fuel funnel should be inserted and removed several times. Because the funnel is designed to operate both internal flaps, this procedure may free a sticking mechanism. The fuel nozzle should never be forced into the filler neck, as doing so may damage the capless fuel system. If the filler assembly appears damaged or continues to restrict nozzle insertion, replacement should be considered before replacing other EVAP components. Estimated repair costs. Approximate repair costs include inspection or cleaning of the filler neck, free to approximately $50 replacement of the capless filler assembly, approximately $250 to $500 installed replacement of the EVAP purge valve, approximately $150 to $300 replacement of the EVAP vent valve, approximately $150 to $350 repair of damaged EVAP hoses, approximately $100 to $250 EVAP smoke test, approximately $75 to $175 replacement of the charcoal canister, approximately $350 to $700. Conclusion. Based on the available evidence, the most probable diagnosis is a malfunction or obstruction within the Ford Easy Fuel capless fuel filler assembly. The combination of a restricted fuel nozzle, a diagnostic code, high vehicle mileage, and the absence of additional EVAP codes strongly suggests that the filler assembly should be inspected before replacing other EVAP components. While intentional damage cannot be completely ruled out, there is currently no evidence supporting that conclusion. A thorough inspection of the filler neck, followed by replacement of the capless filler assembly if necessary, represents the most logical and cost-effective approach to diagnosing and correcting both symptoms.